Enzyme Action Presentation Script. The mechanism of enzyme action. This diagram illustrates how an enzyme works as a biological catalyst. It shows the process of a specific substrate binding to an enzyme, undergoing a chemical reaction, and breaking down into new products. Step 1. Substrate binding. The process begins with substrate binding. Here we see the substrate, which is the specific molecule that the enzyme acts upon. It is represented by the yellow molecular structure approaching the enzyme to initiate the reaction. The substrate is essentially the key that fits into the enzyme's lock. Step 2. The active site. On the enzyme's surface is the active site. This is a specialized pocket uniquely shaped to fit only one specific substrate. The large blue wireframe structure is the enzyme itself, a protein that speeds up chemical reactions without being used up. The precise location where the chemical reaction takes place is inside this uniquely shaped pocket. Step 3. Enzyme-Substrate complex. In the next phase, the substrate successfully enters the active site. This temporary union is called the enzyme-substrate complex. At this stage, the enzyme holds the substrate in a specific position, putting stress on its chemical bonds. This lowers the energy required for the reaction, allowing it to proceed rapidly. Step 4. Product formation. Finally, we see product formation. Once the chemical reaction is complete, the original substrate is converted into new molecules called products. These products no longer fit the active site and are released. This process, known as catalysis, leaves the enzyme unchanged and free to bind with a new substrate to repeat the cycle.